Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a mystery jewelry lot that I purchased from Anna at Vintage Jewelry Galore. Everything will be for sale. I will have the item info and prices down in the description below. And let's go ahead and jump into it. Up first, I've got this beautiful damascene ring. It's in excellent condition. There's a little gold tone loss to the back, but the front is beautiful. And then there are this pair of frosted and crystal earrings, frosted glass and crystal. There is this lovely bracelet, gold and silver tone with what looks like howlite. Everyone knows I love bows. This is gold tone with some rhinestones. And this is a large glass brooch. There is a little butterfly pin. Whoops, I just dropped it in the floor. And then there is this bracelet here. Got this one, kind of looks like a stylized heart with silver and gold tone. And then this one is gorgeous. It's like a brushed gold tone with faux pearl and rhinestones. There is this one with the flower, faux pearls. There's a little wear to the faux pearls, but that doesn't detract from this. It's beautiful. A little thistle here. And these appear to be sterling plated. Gorgeous cat's eye and crystal flower earrings. And then, let's do this one. It's very large Coppertone brooch. I haven't wiped these down yet. I will do so though before I send them if they're purchased. We have this amazing pair of statement earrings. They are gold tone with these beautiful cobalt blue glass pieces here. And then there are a pair of Chico's coin earrings. And then I believe that's rough amber, raw amber. And I'm not sure what these beads are here, some stone. And then the findings here are sterling silver. And to clasp it, you just marry these two little pieces together. I had a necklace like this and it took me quite a while to figure out how to do it. Beautiful. And these are almost a keeper, but I have plenty of earrings, so I'm offering them to you first. Amazing crystal leatherback earrings. I believe these are gold-filled beads. No one would have to know it's not real gold because they absolutely look it. Beautiful. And this is another amazing piece. Doesn't this remind you of Heidi Doss? Beautiful brass. Look at those rhinestones. Oh, it's stunning. And it is a clamper style. Love that one. And then there is this necklace with a barrel clasp and I think black glass, maybe onyx, but probably black glass, coral, and perhaps jade chips. And then we have this one. It has faux pearls and crystals. And does it have a clasp? Let's see. Yes, it does. It has a lobster claw clasp. And it is, let's see if I can get it to swing around there. Premier Designs. But look at the sparkle on these. There's a bonus hair in it, I see. Oh, the sparkle's not picking up. It's really sparkly and beautiful. And then up last, I'm gonna move that to the side. There is this beautiful like collar bib coin necklace. It looks silver plated. It has a hook closure here with another little coin dangly. And it is pretty fantastic. If you like anything you've seen here, my email, it'll be in the description below, and feel free to contact me if you have any questions about anything. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all. Bye.